So what is the advantage, how the university and how the German life. From his childhood, he was very much interested in a lot of design, private or it is public. So
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and yet another episode of Yes Talks. Today I am here in Bangalore and today's episode is for those students who want to do something in the design industry, and in that there is a course that is in trend right now, that is UI UX design, and we have a candidate who has got his admission in one of the courses in Germany, and today we have his father with us. So we just would like to get to know his opinion about the dream of going to Germany. So please welcome him. Hi sir.
hello madam.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
So first of all, thank you so much sir for coming here today, and congratulations.
Thank you.
The sun is flying on 23rd.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So how are you feeling right now?
Yeah, we are very much excited. So it was our dream
Okay.
to go to Germany
Hmm.
and that to study in EFH.
Okay.
So
It was his thought that he wants to go to abroad, or it was like kind of your decision?
Actually, we were planning to go to do the MS in Germany.
Okay.
When we came here, we are in Bangalore. We are basically from Bangalore.
Okay.
When we came here, when we met Asima madam,
Hmm.
we decided. So this is the right place. So otherwise we were just thinking whether to go for US or Canada or UK and all.
Mm.
So when we came here, so we got complete detail. So what is the advantage, how the university and how the German life, all those things. So little bit we were aware before that.
Hmm.
Then after talking to the Asima madam and all, the team, so we were very much impressed. Then immediately we enrolled and everything went fine. So we got APS, we got IELTS score and all, and they helped, and even for visa also.
Hmm.
So they helped, and everything is going normal now.
Okay.
So we are very much impressed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now talking about the course, was his decision to go?
Yeah, it was his passion. So UI UX and all. From his childhood, he was very much interested in a lot of design, that and all. And apart from his graduation, along with parallel, he was doing the UI UX diploma also.
Okay.
So that was his passion. So then we thought, okay, let him go in the same direction because let him work on his strength rather than the weaknesses. So his strength is UI UX. So then we also we said yes, that is the right choice for you.
Now, talking about the course, he has chosen a very perfect course.
Yeah.
I am very sure with that because it's in trend right now. Now, talking about it, was there anything like that he will get it into a public university because he has got admission into private university,
Correct.
right? So, was there any problem with this thing with you or your family or your son?
No, nothing as such. See, the public as well as the private. So he has joined PFH. So that is a private institute.
Hmm.
So, but the important thing is the coaching,
Right.
and the job opportunities and the professors.
Hmm.
So even initially we got chance to meet professor here,
Okay.
and
Yeah, he
Correct.
keeps on
Yeah.
wondering India.
so we were very much impressed.
Hmm.
So because he explained, so what is the advantage and how the course is. So everything was very positive.
Hmm.
So in that sense, anything is okay for us, like whether it is a private or it is public.
Hmm.
So that is.
So is he your only child or you have any other son or daughter?
Yeah, we have another. His brother is there,
Okay.
so he is younger to him,
Okay.
and he is also doing engineering. And now itself we are planning to send him to the TFH.
Because for engineers it's the Germany.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So he is in second year. He completed second year,
Hmm.
and next month he is going for a fifth step. That is third year.
Yeah.
So after that, he is also interested. His brother,
Hmm.
my younger son,
Hmm.
now itself he wants to go. That much he is thrilled.
Thanks, sir.
So we are waiting for another.
Visit at yes, Germany.
Yeah, yes, Germany. So and by that time he also will be settled.
Yeah.
His brother.
Hmm.
So that is the plan as of now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a very good thing, I guess.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely plan for it, and we will do another episode for your younger son.
Definitely.
It's okay. overall, your and your wife, like his mother support was there
Yeah.
with him.
Yeah.
Okay, there was no conflicts.
No.
Okay, are you worried that he's going to another country alone?
No. Because Germany is a very safe place. So Germany is meant for very safe place like India. So we don't have any problem in that. So it is not like any like threat and this kind of thing. So it is a safe place we know, and yeah, we don't have any kind of worries.
Have you been to any place out of Bangalore before?
No.
No.
This is the first time.
Like
he's
first time and he's
First time he's
visiting
like-
Bangalore.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, but you're not worried. You're very chill.
No, we are not married. It is a safe place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a very safe place.
So, any advice you would like to give to the parents who usually, fear to send their
No, nothing to fear because when their children, if they want to go to MS and all, they are matured enough. Matured enough, and basically they'll be having graduation, minimum graduation, and so as a parents, what I'm telling is they should allow their children to go independently because from there their career as well as their life starts. Correct, no? So the parents, that affection and all will be there always. Whether he is in with them or outside, that will be there always. So that independence we should provide to the children. Because all these days around 21 years, 22 years. So the children are with us, we take care. Now they are independent, their career, their life. So they have to see the world. Right? So that is also one education. As a parent we should give. We should give that opportunity.
So that is a very positive thought.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for sharing it.
Yeah.
And I wish all the best.
Thank you very much,
and-
madam. Thank you so
and
much.
to you as well.
Yeah.
And soon plan to go to Germany.
Yeah. I'm also planning. Once he settled, then as a guest we will go, not as a parent.
He will invite you.
Yeah,
right?
he should invite.
And-
We will go as a guest.
Yeah.
So we will see his hospitality, how he gives.
right. And his chance is good with you.
Definitely.
So I wish you best of luck and
Thank you so
definitely he will achieve everything. And keep the spirit up. Send your another son.
Yeah, that we are planning.
soon.
Definitely, yes.
And best of luck, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
madam.
much.
Thanks for your time. Thank you very much.